Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add star rain video effect in CapCut for PC. So first go to media and import your videos, import your photos you like to edit, and for example I'm just going to select my video, right? Just add to the track and go to Opacity. Select video Opacity and select start. Scroll down and looking for the storing. Also there are storing 2 and 1. And select this one, or you can add but just for the atmosphere and then speed, and the second effect you can export final result like this. Get it? So basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank